If you're looking to remove builder gel nails at home and restore your natural nails, you can follow a few straightforward steps. Begin by filing the top layer of your nails with a medium 100/180 grit file until the color fades, but be careful not to damage your natural nail. Protect your skin with petroleum jelly before soaking small cotton pieces in acetone and pressing them onto your nails. Wrap each fingertip with foil or cling wrap to keep the warmth in and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Afterward, gently remove the foil and cotton, using an orange stick to clean up any remaining gel. Follow up by washing your hands with soapy water, applying cuticle oil for hydration, and filing your nails to smooth the surface. It's advisable to remove gel builder within 2 weeks to avoid potential damage. Finally, to keep your nails healthy, regularly moisturize your cuticles and consider using a nail hardener.